Right, so I've got the kids, got Michelle something, got myself something, got my dad something. Did my mum want anything? Right, I'm gonna ring my mum. But everything's over there. Zane will tally it up, then we'll negotiate a little bit.
Hi, Kirk.
Alright, Dad. Dad, I'm just in Zane's. Did Mum want anything or not? There's Graham. Did Mum want out?
I don't know what they got like that with.
Well, anything. I'll show you. Zane saying nice V-neck jumper.
Hi, Zane.
Yeah, alright, Papa. We got 2 sets for you.
So let Mum see the screen.
Okay, Christine. See the what? What name is that saying? Whatever you want.
White are always nice for angels.
Not tight.
No, they are really soft. When she wears one time,
So Zane's showing you this, Mum.
people.
Alright, yeah.
Mommy, look. Oh, love. Nice and
What
V-neck.
size is that?
Size was okay, don't worry.
Oh, yeah.
That's what Zane's showing you. Oh, look.
Yeah. Does he do the zip? The zip, what do they call them?
Zip what, Mum?
Tracksuit top. Like a tracksuit top, a hoodie, but like a zip one, not a...
Like these?
Oh, is it fluffy?
Yeah, it's
Has
fluffy.
he not
Look.
got a cotton one?
We have.
He has cotton.
Yeah. Cottons in nylons we have like this.
Like this, Mum?
Or same one in Tommy Hilfiger I have.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, well,
That's nice, yeah.
this colour or?
Have you beige? Have you black?
Yeah,
Black I have.
black.
In a medium, what size is a
Size
medium?
16 will be probably
16 will be a
large.
large, he's saying. Large or XL.
Yeah, the events fit.
Alright.
Right, alright, Mum, is that everything, yeah?
Oh, thank you.
Is that everything?
I think so, yeah. I think so. Pajamas?
Fit, Mommy.
Perfect.
Easy.
That'll do me, Mum. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Sorted, Mum?
What's them pajamas?
Yeah.
Ah, only 14s in them.
Any of them pyjamas there's in? Like size 14 or
They
not?
come with the shorts.
Yeah,
I have size 14. But
Yep.
the one we want to go to Victoria Secret Bars.
perfect, mate.
Yeah.
Right, Mum, I'll catch you later, yeah?
Oh, thank you,
All right.
thank you, sir.
Right, love you.
Welcome,
Ta-ra.
Mommy. Thank you very much.
Thank you, bye.
Make sure I don't forget her. Perfect, mate.
Nice one, man.
And now we're finished. Let's get the credit card out. Look at this. Zane with his special calculator.
No,
You know,
no.
they do like this, like this.
So you will see.
And then once it's £500, we say, okay, divide by 2, Zane, and it's now 250.
No, we are always made. Look, everything price on and everything good. But look, you can see how much is being charged you. That's last
15
20
litre,
years we're doing
cheap,
this.
15 litre.
that was 20,
Yep,
and that was a kids one's 15 for a shirt and short,
very good.
and that was a kids tracksuit 15.
It's tracksuit, I think that one was for Teddy.
Teddy size in the short and a t-shirt set.
Short and t-shirts.
10.
Yep, 10. Cheap that for them.
And then we bought
For them,
coats.
shorts and t-shirts.
They was before 40, but now down to 35.
Down to 30.
And that was 10.
Yep.
And this is the 10 again for Oscar. 10. And this is a short and a t-shirt.
For myself,
20.
bag's getting heavy, Zane.
Bags can have in. We need second
Okay,
bag there.
maybe we just call it 100 now. But
Okay, we'll hold the second bag for you, mate. You wanna hold this bag now for me?
bag number 2.
Yes.
This is a problem when you come to Zane's.
Yes, please.
Get him.
So that was a jacket and a matching shorts.
Yeah.
They come £30 for a set. And this is a for Oscar jackets for school,
Oscar.
25. And this was a like a thick t-shirt for you, which is everywhere, 40-50 pound, but 15 pound in
Oh,
here.
very good, Zane.
Did you see how thick it's? Yeah.
I've seen it, mate.
And
Love
3
it.
football jerseys, 20, 3 for 20. And this is a £10 for Labubu with the secret box.
Yeah, we'll take that off. That's a gift.
And that's a good ones. The smell stay longer, best
Yeah.
quality ones. They was 20 before, now 15. And that was underwear for ladies, 2 pack for 15, 1 for 8.
Rochelle
All
will
together?
be happy.
278. You can have like 270 for cash. 273. You can have
273. 273, he says.
Suitcase full. Yeah. 270 for cash.
Thank you very much, mate.
Mate, thank you very much. But
Cheers,
wash
mate.
everything cold wash when you put them in wash machine, inside out, and not tumble dry.
It doesn't matter if I wash it cold, hot, whatever. Rochelle will shrink it all, mate.
No, cold wash always.
All of it is getting shrunk. But yeah, so when you visit Zane's, his number's there. Screenshot it. That is probably what, 10 kilos maybe?
Round 5.5, 6.
5.5, 6?
Yeah, 100%.
Oh, perfect. You lot are on the live. I'm just going to get it updated for YouTube as well. Oh, free shuttle service. There we go, mate. Yeah. So Best Bargain Buys, free shuttle service. Thames driving. Whether you're spending at the clothes shop, the Best Bargain Buys shoes, or Best Bargain Buys bag shop, there's the shuttle service. The number, if you go on sunnymarmors.uk, the number for Best Bargain Buys WhatsApp is on there. So we're going to go inside now. We're going to go to the Best Bargain Buys bag shop, where every single bag is £10. Dirt cheap. I've got James to come with me and help me from next door. We know we've got what, 10 kilo?
10 kilo.
And how much do you think some of these bags weigh? 1 kilo, half a kilo?
Probably half kilo.
Half kilo. So we know the space in my suitcase. We know we've got about, saying that, take off the weight of the case, we've probably got about 8 kilo.
8 kilo, yeah.
8 kilo to spend. Let's go inside Best Bargain Buys bag shop. Sorry, last time. So every single bag in the shop. How much is this, mate?
£10.
£10. Cheap. Very cheap, mate. Very cheap. There it is. Any bag. Look, so someone said looks quiet. So this time of the day at 5 o'clock, people start to go home. They get changed, showered. They go out for a little bit of food. So it changes. It's like, because it's 5 PM now. You all right, mate? I'll try not to get you in. Right, so you go through and every single one, look, the price is on it. Some Labubu ones as well. Might have to get Isla a little Labubu.
Yeah, also
Get Isla a little Labubu bag.
little rock back as well.
Oh, she's gonna kill. She's 11 now. She's gonna kill me if I get her that, mate. So every single bag in the shop, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Whether it's this one, 2 for 10 down here on the purses and the wallets. Get 8 small bags for Rochelle. I can't do that. I can't. This is why people know Best Bargain Buys, because I want to make sure. Just when I first started coming to Turkey, there was places trying to rip me off. Clear. My mum was crying in one of the shops, and I was like, "Oh, hey, mum, like don't worry about it. He's not going to do anything. Just the pressure to sell at high prices." I'm like, nah, I'm not having that. There must be a way to tell people that these places don't rip you off. So once I sat down with Best Bargain Buys and I looked at the prices and thought, you know what, the quality's good. You can get these prices. No one's ripping you off. I became friends with them, and I thought, I'm just going to tell everyone about it. And then slowly, Best Bargain Buys turned into clothes, trainers, and then this huge bag shop, the biggest bag shop in Marmaris and Ishmael. I think it's time I got a new bag.
You should
So this bag, show this bag there. Show that. So this bag that I've got now, how many years have you seen me with this? Maybe 3, 4 years?
4 years. 4 years now.
4 years with this bag.
We always told the Craig you
And the
should
reason
change
I've got
that.
it is because there's that many, you know, like zip, 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 zip. Everything I need is in like the perfect place.
Yeah.
So that's why I've still got this bag. But I suppose a bag like this might do, a bag like this might do. Maybe I'll change it. Maybe I'll change it. You've got Adidas ones here. And every single one of these bags is 10, 10, 10, 10. Whether it's a sports bag, whether it's a designer bag over here, it's just £10. Now in this shop as well, there's only women work here. Only women work here, and every single bag is the same price. They're not going to say to you one's 15, one's 20, one's 30 and then start haggling. The prices are here, look, fixed price, fixed price, fixed price, it's everywhere. So you can't get ripped off at Best Bargain Buys. Let me spin that around, mate. Isn't that right, James?
Probably somebody's know me.
Be there on the 19th, someone's put. Thought you were coming home. I'm flying home today. So tonight I fly home. I've checked out the hotel. I'm doing some last minute shopping. We've got 8 kilo.
8 kilo.
8 kilo that we need to fill up some space, because I don't like wasting it. I'd rather come in here, ring Rochelle, ring Isla, ring my mum and say, oh, which bags do you want? Still got the Titanic bell. Cheers, James.
I love
You
it.
got a Labubu there still kicking around. And next door at the clothes shop, Best Bargain Buys, if you spend 300 quid, you get a free suitcase anyway. So add a suitcase on. Don't be afraid to just, don't think, oh, I need to go up to this many kilos. Just add an extra case, especially if you're flying with the likes of EasyJet, Jet2. It's so easy to add a case on for around 40 or 50 pound. But look at this, these same bags you will see for 15, 20, 25 and 30 pound in other shops.
How much is it here?
How much, mate?
Just 10.
How much?
£10.
You can pick up a copy of Sunny Marmorous magazine, hopefully on that counter over there.
We have.
What else is it? The crock bags have changed as well, so they've been upgraded. Let me find them. Where were them crock bags? You got Labubu bags right there. Where are them crock bags gone? I've just, oh, there they are. So the crock bags have been upgraded from earlier on in the season. Look at them. And again, just £10, £10, £10, every single bag. So listen, if you are looking for a bag, come to the biggest bag shop. This is where I'll come to. Biggest bag shop in Marmorous and Ishmael, and also the cheapest at £10 every single bag. And that's Best Bargain Buys.